Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to fix battle.net app not working. So the first step you would want to do in order to fix your issue is that open settings on your mobile devices. Once you come to settings, scroll down below and then tap on apps. From here simply search for battle.net. Once you come on this app info page, scroll down below and tap on storage. Now over here at the bottom right corner, you'll see the option of clear cache. Tap on it. So this is the first step you can do in order to fix your issue. Now let's jump to another step. Open Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. So in my case, I'm going to launch Google Play Store. Now once you come here at the bottom right corner, you'll see the option of search. Go ahead and tap on it. Go to the search bar on top and search for battle.net. Tap on the application that you see on top. Now over here, if you see the option of update, tap on it and update your battle.net application. If not, you can simply tap on the option of uninstall. Tap on uninstall again. Now you can reinstall your application. After this, your issue will be fixed. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.